What is up, guys? Welcome back to Play Squad HQ. Today we're going to be doing an easy painting using a fluid art technique on an 8x10 canvas. I got this at the dollar store. The colors I'm using is a type of blue, a purple, a pink, and a green. The liquid I will be using is a pouring medium from the art store Michaels. You need to use 3 tablespoons of pouring medium and 1 teaspoon of paint. And you mix them all up for each color into something called a dirty cup. Pouring all the paints into the dirty cup. We pour the dirty cup paints into the canvas around. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. And remember to like and subscribe. Peace.